Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit those likes, and comment down there at the bottom. Today we are working on a 2017, what is that? I know it's a Chevy Silverado. It's a Chevy Silverado. It doesn't have much for miles. I believe it's under 80. Still kind of high. It's a work vehicle, so it's 86,000. We did a full body on this all the way around. Somebody vandalized it. They broke windows and stuff, and as a result, I've got a broken rear view mirror. So rattly and falling apart. So the objective today is to remove and replace that mirror. I did a couple other little things. I did a door check. You know, this kind of stops your door from flying wide open. Did a couple other parts. Sorry, I won't be able to do an unboxing on this. We have to inspect parts when they come in. Make sure they're the right ones. Make sure they're not damaged. So, let me get this box. Get this mirror out. All right. You can see it's got a plug for your dimming, the SOS, the OnStar, and stuff like that. It also comes with its own screw in there, so in case you're removing the other one, I guess, or maybe it just doesn't come out all the way. But as you can see, it's got a plug. So let me get this taken care of. Alrighty, so the thing is just to lift this up so I can get access to that one screw right here. I don't know if you guys can see it or if it focuses right. There's a little screw here. It's a star bit. I believe it's a 20. T20. So let me get these covers off that sit on the mirror. It should be two little pieces if you still have them. See, it just slid down and it come out. It slid down and come right out. See, it just slides. All right, now we've got to unplug it. If I can find the push part, I might have to. Oh, okay, the clip for the wire sits in the front part towards the glass. There it is, unplugged. Now I've got to do this the T20 star bit. Sorry for the lack of focus and stuff, folks. Then you just slide it out, because it kind of slides down into this base here. Let me see if I can get some lights on in here. There's a couple lights right there. Took the screw out. It just slides right into the base. You just plug it in. So let me get this thing set up properly. Then you'll see the metal base on the glass. You just click it in place. Tighten up the screw. Tighten up the screw nice and tight. All right, plug it back in. Let me turn these lights off. I don't want to kill my customer's battery. And you put this plastic back on. As you can see, it's got two pieces. The smaller rounded part here goes towards the mirror right there. And you just pretty much slide them apart, and it just locks in place. Like sliding the top down unlocks it, and you can pull it out. But when you put it in, you lock it in place the other way. You know, you open it up, you spread it out so it'll lock itself in place. So let me make sure it works. because it should have a little light for the OnStars and all that stuff. So let me make sure everything works on it. Yes sir, it lights up. Got my power indicator, my SOS light, my OnStar, and my voice command. I'm gonna have to do something to test the self-dimming. Probably shine some lights at it and stuff. I'm gonna do a couple more tests before I release it to the vehicle. And that's about it. Very quick, short video. Imagine this, without filming, I could have been done in half the time. I know it's something easy. And again, just like the radio install, I had a customer mention I don't do many installs, or I show final finishes. So here's another install, a powered mirror. It has a self-dimming feature, so if somebody comes up behind you, it'll dim down so it doesn't glare in your face and stuff. So let me just adjust this so my customer doesn't hurt themselves. But that's it. 2017 Chevy Silverado. There's not much to these. But that's it. Rear view mirror. I probably would have been better showing you guys the door check, but it required taking off the panel, and I move a lot faster when I'm not filming. So for now, I'm gonna cut you guys loose. You guys know the deal. Be nice to each other and share the love. Peace out, everybody. Oh, and don't forget, hit up one of these other videos and hit that icon, that cool little icon right there. I made that, so click it. That's my subscriptions. And again, if you see something in here, if you saw something and you have some input on it, don't be afraid to put it down there. It's just for the world to see, people. You know, so if you got an idea, if you got a suggestion or something of any of my videos, just write it down there. Only the worst that can happen is I can respond. But yeah, everybody, peace out. Be good to each other. Thank you.